Hey, it's Walter here from FX Jake, and I just want to talk about this Euro CAD setup that Forex Boy put up on the forum at nakedforexnow.com. Basically, he's looking at this Euro CAD daily chart, as you can see here, and he's talking about a possible bullish big shadow. Let me show you how I look at the chart. Doesn't mean I'm right, but this is how I view it. Now, first of all, it is a nice bullish big shadow because why? It's a bigger candle than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's bigger than the last 9 and it completely engulfs the last 9. What is it lacking? Well, it could have a higher high. It could have closed up near the high. Although it closed, in the upper 50%, it could have closed a little bit higher. In fact, it's not the highest close we've seen of all these candles. The other thing is that it's up against the level, so it's basically a breakout play. If we trade this, we're saying the market's going to trade above this level, and it could actually trade above yesterday's high and still respect this support and resistance zone at 1.2525 and come back down. So in a sense, it seems a little risky to me, and I know a lot of people say, well, do you ever trade? Because a lot of these things I'm like, oh, this one doesn't look okay. No, I don't like that one. Oh, not so good. Well, I spend a lot of time thinking about, reasons why I shouldn't take a trade, so that the trades that I do take, to me, are very, very likely to work out. Now, to me, the safer play on this one is to wait for the market to break out above 25.25 and then fade back down, bounce off of 25.25 with a bullish candle, and then I can buy it all the way up to 1.2800, or actually even slightly below that, because you can see we have a touch here and a touch there. That's 2760. So between 2760 and 28 is probably a nice target for this area here. And so that's kind of how I view this. Doesn't mean I'm right. Doesn't mean that, it's not going to bag a lot of pips. To me, it's a safer thing to wait for the market to break out and then retouch somewhere over here, the edge of this box, because it has been trading this box. And if we look at the 4-hour chart, you can see what I mean. It's a really well-defined box here with 3 touches on the upside and 1, 2, 3 touches on the downside. So I would probably hold off. For me, it's not good enough to take. Doesn't mean it's not going to work out. It just, for me, it's not, it's not perfect. I do take these breakouts occasionally. In fact, if you look, let's see, there's a kangaroo tail here that broke with a belt. Here, this is another big shadow that takes out 2 candles, and it's also in traffic here. It would be better if this stuck out more to me. Let me see if I can find one that sticks out. Just going, hey, here we go right here. This is the kind of dog that I'm looking for. I like this dog's bark. Look at that. This high and this low completely engulfs the prior candle. It's the largest candle I've seen in a long time, just like the one that we have on the EuroCAD now. It's 291 pips, and that's bigger than this candle, bigger than that one, bigger than that one, bigger than that one, 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 even bigger than that one. I mean, it's the largest candle probably, it's bigger than all of these candles to the left. Maybe this one's as big. No, it's not either. So that's the kind of thing. And look how it sticks out here. It's got some room to the left. It's really nice how, this much of the 2 candle formation has printed on unique area of the chart. To me, that's a pretty good sign that it's a reversal. Now, I know, with the setup that we're looking at right now, since it's a breakout, it's not going to have a lot of room to the left, because a breakout by definition is saying that, the market's been in an area of consolidation and it's going to move outside of that. So there you go. So that's just sort of my thoughts on this trade. I thought I'd post them here. I hope you have a wonderful trading week. Be careful. We've got the non-farm payroll coming up in a couple days, and I think a lot of these pairs are probably going to reverse when that happens. I wouldn't be surprised to see a lot of these long-standing moves take a bit of a retrace. For example, just off the cuff, you've got the pound that's been moving up here, and then you got even more so the Aussie has been moving down. I think we might see a quick reversal after the non-farm payroll, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. I hope you have a wonderful trading week, and happy trading.